This is my life, man.
From the video you just watched, I know you'll be skeptical on how to create such video. Alright guys, so in this video I would explain the two best way you can learn, and this is how for those who really want to learn how to make Rico animation or any other 2D animation. So from what we have here, I've created some videos on my YouTube that explain how you can make use of Flipaclip, but there are more easier ways for you to go about it, and it is best known to my Patreon members, the VIP members, those who are in my Patreon Telegram group. Okay, so just in case you have all the time, no problem, you can make use of Flipaclip to create such animation, and here I've explained how you can go about it. You can either watch this video, though the link to each video will be in the description box, and to also be showing on the upper right corner for you guys to click on it. Okay, one more, also you can also make use of this video. Okay, so the choice is yours guys. Is either you watch this or you join my Telegram VIP group, and in order for you to join, a link will be added in the description box of this video, where you will be directed to chat me up via WhatsApp. Okay, and to know the procedure, just message me that you want to join my Telegram VIP group. Okay, so now I'll tell you the criteria in order for you to join. So that does it. Note, it is, you can make use of either phone or your laptop, depending on the one you are comfortable with. Okay, so I can't wait to see you guys in that group. Bye for now. One love.